Now we will start discussing about the past continuous tense, means which represents the action that already happened. So here first we will start with the affirmative sentence, and for the affirmative sentence in the past continuous tense, again we will start with the subject. So first I'll write the subject plus in the past tense the helping verb that will be used in the continuous tense will be was and were. Now how we will use was, where we will use was and where we will use were. Was will be used with singular when your subject is one person only, and were will be used with plural I and you. So in this way we will use was and were plus again first form or the base form of the verb plus ing. Why ing? Because whenever we are talking about the continuous tense, we will always use the ing form of the verb, or we will put the ing with the base form of the verb. Subject was in verb ing form plus object. So this is the structure for the affirmative sentence of the past continuous tense. Now let's take the example. For example, Rahul was playing cricket. So here we have used Rahul as the subject, was and were. So between was and were, here I have used was. Why? Because Rahul is singular. Here we are talking about one person only. Then play is the base form or the first form of the verb. We have put ing with this because it is a continuous tense, and cricket is the object. So this is the basic sentence of the past continuous tense. Rahul was playing cricket. Now the next that we will move will be the, or let's take another example where we will use were. Let's take the same example. Boys were playing cricket. Here I have used the subject boys, means more than one. Boys means more than one. So I have used were because I told you that with the singular I will use, or we will use was, and with the plurals were will be used. So boys were playing cricket. Rest of the structure of the sentence will be the similar. Only the use of the helping verb will depend on the subject of the sentence, whether it is singular or plural. Now, the next is negative sentence. For the negative sentence, we all know that what we have to do, we just have to add the not word, and that will make the sentence negative. So, again we will start with the subject plus was or were plus not. Here this not denotes that the sentence is a negative sentence. Subject was or were, not, base form of verb plus ing plus object. So let's take the same example again. What the sentence would be? Rahul was not playing the cricket. What is the difference in this sentence? In this sentence, the only difference is that we used the not word here and the not word is not used here. So this is affirmative and this is negative sentence. Let's take the same example. Boys were not playing cricket. Here again is this sentence. What we have done, we just put the not word here, which is absent here. Now, the third category, as you all must be aware, will be of interrogative sentences. What are the interrogative sentences? Interrogative sentences are the sentence which ends with the question mark and in which a question is asked. Something is asked. So, as we have discussed earlier, interrogative sentence will be of two kinds. The first one which will start with the question word and the second one which will start with the helping verb. And the helping verb will be the helping verb which is used in that particular tense. For example, here in the past continuous tense, we are using was and were as the helping verbs. So, for the interrogative sentence, the one which is start with the question word. First comes the question word, then was or were. Again, the use of was and were will depend on the subject of the sentence. Was or were plus subject plus base form of verb plus ing plus object. Let's take the same example. For example, the question word I am taking here, why. So, why was subject Rahul. First form of verb, play. With that, I will put ing and the object is cricket. And the question mark. Always remember to put the question mark at the end of an interrogative sentence. So, why was Rahul playing cricket? This is the interrogative sentence of the past continuous tense, which is starting with the question word. Now, the second category in which the sentence will start with the helping verb. So, helping verbs in case of past continuous tense are was and were. Again, the use of was and were will depend on the subject. Next comes the subject plus base form of verb plus ing plus object. Let's take the same example again. Was, subject is Rahul playing cricket, and the question mark. So this gives you the sentence of the past continuous tense interrogative sentence, which will start with the helping verb. So this is all about the structure of the sentences in past continuous tense, all the affirmative sentence, the negative sentence, and the interrogative sentence.